Hi everyone, I hope that you are all doing well. We wanted to create a tutorial based on a question that came in on our live chat yesterday. If you are not familiar with our live chat feature, you start on the district homepage, click library chat, you're brought immediately to this screen. Click on this blue little icon on the bottom right and your chat will start immediately. It is available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then again from 1 to 3 p.m. The majority of the questions coming in have been from students and families, particularly some secondary students. I had one of those end just a few moments ago. But we've also had a few teacher questions as well. And that's where this tutorial comes from today. How do I take a picture with my phone or my iPad and upload it to Google? So what's happening is users at home are taking pictures of a traditional pencil to paper activity, and they're taking that picture and then they're sending it on its way thinking, check, done, that one's off the list. But they're sending it maybe informally to you in a message or an email, and you'd like them all to go into your classroom, and that makes perfect sense. So how do we do that? First, the user has to have the Google Drive installed on their iPhone. If they don't already have Google Drive installed on their iPhone, they'll simply need to go to the App Store and do that. Once that's installed, snap a picture of the activity that needs to be turned in. Now this is a screenshot of my cell phone. So in the top right left corner here, small, but that's an image of the picture on the previous screen, that spring passage. And instead of sending that picture off in a text message or an email, or if I were to scroll through, you could see, maybe Instagram, Twitter, I'm going to select send it to the Google Drive. Make sure that the user selects the proper account. They may not have multiple accounts, but you'll see in my case on my phone, I had to decide, did I want to send it to my personal Gmail account or my professional? Once I've selected the proper account, I need to select a folder to send it to. This begins the process of telling that image where to go in Google. I wanted it to go to my first grade folder, so I selected that next on my phone. You need to click Save here in the bottom right on the phone. It's small, so make sure you look out for that. And what does the user want that image to be called? There's a default of a few characters that comes up. For the purposes of this demonstration, I backspace those characters, typed in sample, but maybe you want it to say John Smith, Math 6.4, whatever, and then select Upload. Once it's uploaded, how do you actually have users click the turn in piece, which is the next step that Liz is going to take over here.
This is a quick tutorial on how to upload images to Google Classroom. So you've downloaded the Google Drive app, you've taken a picture of your assignment, and you've saved it to your Google Drive. Now you need to upload it to Google Classroom, and here's how you do it. You can go to your Google Classroom. This is just a sample page that I brought up for grade 5. Click on Classwork. You're going to find your assignment. Okay, I'm going to click View Assignment. Okay, it shows me all of the information, and on the right here it says Your Work. Now, this is the actual assignment that you could click into. If you are adding an image, like you've done the assignment in a workbook, you would click Add or Create. Okay, you're going to go to Google Drive, and let's just say this is my image I want to upload. That's my assignment. I can upload that and then hit Turn In. to send it on to my teacher.
Okay. Thank you, Liz. Hope that helps, everyone. If you have any further questions, please let us know. We're here to help. Be well, and we will see you all online very soon.